Welcome back to Instabills, everyone. So BTBT has been breaking into new highs throughout the day. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for this one to continue, what exact indicators I would be looking for to have confirmation on this continuation. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over BTBT with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I'm going to show you guys exactly how this one played out today. And then I'm going to back up to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which key levels we need to break above and exactly how our overall momentum does look. Now, before we get started, I want to mention that we do alert penny stock and break alerts. So today we mentioned BTBT from pre-market. We also did mention them at market open, and we did have that continuation on up. We also did mention going up to that $10 psychological resistance, as we did have that decrease in volume in the middle of the day. And as you guys can see, we got that decrease in buy pressure, showing us that momentum to the downside, showing us that increase in sell pressure midday. But however, we did get that decrease in sell pressure midday, bouncing off that 50-day moving average. And as you guys can see, we did bounce off that 20-day moving average while Bitcoin was breaking into new highs, showing us some momentum to the upside, breaking into about $11 on another 10% breakout going to extended hours. And as you guys can see, we got that increase in buy pressure, showing us that continuation going to extended hours, but not breaking above our previous buy pressure that we did have going to this morning. So again, making sure we can get momentum going to tomorrow. So I'm going to go to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which resistances we're trying to break above to have continuations and what exactly I would be looking for to have confirmation on that momentum. So back here on the 4-hour chart, as you guys can see, we have our VPVR showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period, showing us our very key levels that we are going to be trying to break above. As you guys can see, we have a very key level that we did continue on down from here at 1319, and also our previous continuation on down and rejection to the upside at 1863. As you guys can see, we got that rejection to the upside here at 1863, and also did have that continuation on down at this point. Again, having that major gap down as we could not hold this level, having multiple rejections to the upside as we could not hold this 1863 mark. Looking to see if we can get that volume that we're looking for to break above that 1863 mark to have that confirmation. Now, as you guys can see, previously we did hold above this 1863 mark, and we did have that continuation on up. Again, this 1863 mark is very key for us to respect here on BTBT. If we can break above it, then we could have a major breakout. Now, as far as a continuation going to tomorrow and going to this week and next week, we are going to be looking to see if we can get this 20 moving average to cross back above the 50-day moving average. The 20 moving average here is the yellow line, and the 50-day moving average is the red. Looking to see if we can cross back above it. As you guys can see, we had this major bounce previously because we had the 20 moving average cross above the 50 here on the 4-hour chart. Now looking for the same thing to happen to give us better momentum here on BTBT. Now, if we can't have the 20 moving average to cross back above the 50, then we will have more confirmation on the momentum to break above this 1319 mark. But to have more confirmation on this momentum, I would be looking at the MACD here. As you guys can see, previously we had this spike jumping up to that 1319 mark on that buy pressure. And as you guys can see, we are going to be trying to break above that to have more confirmation. But again, to have that major breakout, I would be looking to see if we can break above our previous buy pressure point that we did have here, jumping up to that 1863 mark. If we can break above that previous buy pressure point, then we will have more confirmation at that point in time. Now, if we do break over 1863 and we do not have confirmation on that buy pressure, then we could get that rejection to the upside. And again, not as strong of a move as we would be looking for, but again, making sure we do have our alerts here set on TradingView to make sure we do have confirmation on the momentum. Now, again, to add that alert, you go over the plus sign here on TradingView, you can click add alert, and then you can put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point. So that way, if it does break above it, then we will have confirmation at that point in time. And also, one thing I really like about TradingView's alerts is they actually can be set to text you. So that way, if you're not watching the market and the market does have breakout points, then you could be alerted at that point in time and you can make quick plays at that point in time. So again, to recap on those key levels, again, breaking over that 1319 mark and then breaking over that 1863 mark that we keep getting rejected to the upside from would be very key to have that major breakout that we're looking for here. And again, BTBT, an amazing run that we had throughout the day, even though the market has been very slow. We have been getting multiple runners throughout the day. So if you guys do want to see all of our breakout alerts set today, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a breakout alert that again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been supporting the channel, I appreciate everyone of you guys. Much love to you guys. God bless you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help us refine it and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.